What are JavaScript functions? JavaScript functions are blocks of code that can be executed when called upon. They are reusable pieces of code used multiple times in a program to reduce code duplication and maintainability. Functions are used to modularize code, making it easier to read and understand. They can be used to create custom commands or add dynamic behavior to web pages. Functions help to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. Understanding the basics of JavaScript function syntax. A function is defined with the keyword function, followed by a name, parentheses, and a code block. The function name is used to call the function. Parameters can be passed to a function and are specified within the parentheses following the function name. How to create a function in JavaScript. A function is defined with the keyword function, followed by the function name and any parameters. Once defined, the function can be called using the function name, followed by parentheses. When calling the function, the parameters must be passed in. Different types of functions in JavaScript. Standard function, defined with the keyword function, followed by the function name and parameters. Anonymous function does not have a name, defined directly in the code for small one-time tasks. Arrow function, introduced in ES6 version of JavaScript, shorter and easier to read than standard functions. Examples of JavaScript functions. Functions can be used to display messages, perform calculations, or validate user input. They can also be used to create interactive elements on a web page. Nested functions in JavaScript. Nested functions are defined within another function. They are often used to break down complex tasks into smaller parts. How to write a function in JavaScript. Define the purpose of the function before writing. Break down the task into smaller, manageable pieces. Use descriptive names for variables and functions. Test the code to ensure it's working as expected. Working with HTML functions. JavaScript functions can be used to create interactive elements on a web page. To create an element, an HTML element must be created and assigned an ID, which is used to reference the element in the JavaScript code. Tips and tricks for writing JavaScript functions. Keep code organized to make it easier to read and understand. Use JavaScript best practices for maintainability and reliability. Test code to identify any bugs or errors before release.